Assalamualaikum. Welcome to English class today, and we will sing our opening song, Good Morning Song. Good morning, good morning. We are ready to start a new day. We are ready to listen and learn and have fun today. Good morning, good morning. We are ready to start a new day. We are ready to listen and learn and have fun today. I have something to show you today. Can you guess? Look, I have cards here. Okay, let's sing our song first. Look and point, new thing to think about. Look and point, new thing to talk about. Look and smile, are you ready? Let's have fun, fun with. Do you know what letter is it? What letter is this? Is this A, B, C? No, this is M. M. But does M sound M or like mommy? Yeah, M sounds like Okay, later we will see. The object starts with right? Okay, next. Look and point, new thing to think about. Look and point, new thing to talk about. Look and point, are you ready? Let's have fun, fun with. What letter is this? S. S. But does S sounds like S or sun? Star. Which one do you prefer? S or S? Does S sound like S or like S? Yeah, S sounds like S. Okay, next. Look and point, new thing to think about. Look and point, new thing to talk about. Look and smile, are you ready? Let's have fun, fun with. What letter is this? F. F. F, yeah. But does F sounds like F or like fish? Fin. Farm. Which one? F sounds like. Okay, next. Look and point, thing to think about. Look and point, new thing to talk about. Look and smile, are you ready? Let's have fun, fun with. What letter is this? A. 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 But does A sounds like A or A? A. Apple. A. Ant. Which one do you prefer? Yeah, letter A sounds like A. A. Okay. So, you can take a look on your book, page 5. Yeah. Page 5. There are two M, and the sound This is uppercase, this is lowercase. Ini huruf besar, ini huruf kecil. And then you will listen the sounds of these pictures. Anak-anak coba dengarkan ya. Bunyi dari objek gambar ini. Okay?
Book, page 5. Pre-reading practice. Moon.
Moon.
Milk.
Milk.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Okay. Lollipop. Moon. Repeat after me. Moon. Milk. Monkey and lollipop. Does lollipop sound like Does lollipop sounds like No. Lollipop doesn't sound like So you can cross. Yeah, you can cross out lollipop because it's different with Okay, next we will take a look at this and you will listen up to the sound.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Sun.
Sun.
Seal.
Seal.
Banana.
Banana. Does banana sounds like No, it doesn't, right? Sandwich, yeah, start with sun, yeah, start with seal, also start with but banana, different, so you can cross it out. And then next, this one.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Fish.
Fish.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Fan.
Fan. Okay. Farmer. Farmer. Fish. Carrot. And fan. Does farmer sounds like Yes. Does fish sound like start with Yeah. And then how about carrot? Does it sounds like carrot? No. How about fan? Does it sound like or starts with fan? Yeah, starts with. So you can cross out carrot. And the last one.
Gator.
Alligator.
Ant.
Ant.
Apple.
Apple.
Nest.
Nest. Okay. Does it alligator starts with a? Alligator. Yes, of course. How about ant? Does it starts with a? Yes. Apple? Yes. Starts with a. How about nest? Does it start with a? No. So you can cross it out. Yeah. And then next for your assignment, you can do from page 6, trace letters, cut out and paste. So the empty boxes here, you can find out the pictures from page 109. Sorry. At the back, you can cut it out, but don't forget to keep the rest because you will need it. You just need this, and then you will paste. Yeah, you will paste or stick it here, And then you will say the letter and the sound. Example, this letter is F, sounds, and then you will say the object. If it is farmer or fish, yeah, according to the picture. And then example, this letter is S, sounds like S. And then you will say the object. And then the letter is M, sounds like M. And then the letter is A, and sounds like A. And then you will say the object. And then you will trace the letter here. Yeah, you will trace the letter. Use your pencil at home. Okay, so you can do it on your assignment today, and then you will show me the result of this. Thank you for today, K2. See you on next week in our class meeting. God bless you. Bye.